Galloway is the founder and CEO of King Prize Insurance, the newest player to join the South African short-term insurance industry. As you and I may know, it's a very competitive industry. King Prize has broken many records for an insurance startup company that has got almost 100,000 satisfied customers and is looking to create a global footprint. Gideon is my heavy hitter tonight and has got an amazing story to tell. Africa, please help me welcome Gideon Galloway. It's been a little less than 5 years and your book has grown immensely. What is it that is different that you're doing to the market?
I guess from the start, I mean, we literally started from a garage and got varsity programmers to start coding the software, if I can call it like that. I mean, a software of that size probably cost you 100 million rand plus. So by just starting lean, we found new ways of doing things,
yes.
Probably because we didn't have a choice. So when you start from grassroots, you find new solutions. But the biggest one and the passion why we started King Prize is to reduce the premiums monthly. Might sound silly, and all my friends ask me what's the catch. But if you think about it, it's not to say because of the other guys not doing it that way, it shouldn't be that way. I mean, if your asset depreciates, your premium should also come down.
So you're saying as an entrepreneur, you should come up with something that is niche in the market in terms of tweaking your business model to be different from everybody else?
No, so, I mean, I've literally done any business probably that you can think of. Most of them failed.
Will people tell you, no, but 1 out of 10 businesses failing? It always says, like, for you to get to the one that succeeds, at least I'll start 10 businesses, which is what you did.
Exactly. And with partners, with mentors and all of that. But I guess if the barrier to entry is big, then that's in most cases for most people probably a demotivator. But that motivates me because that keeps the rest of the 90% out of the market.
Let's go back to your story. Like, I'm interested in your upbringing, because a lot of people look at you and they're like, okay, so he's a middle-aged white guy. He probably was privileged when he was growing up.
Well, I was privileged, I admit, but normal family, not rich or anything. Went to good school, went to varsity, but there the wheels came off a bit. So
you dropped out of varsity?
Yes.
Why is it entrepreneurs, a lot of them drop out?
I don't like rules. That's probably the biggest thing. I can't study. Yeah. I absolutely hate it.
So what were you studying at varsity?
Computer science.
Computer science?
Yes, and my dad's business got liquidated at that point, so funds were up as well, so I had to start work by myself now, which is probably the best lesson in life. So with my kids someday, I'm going to fake a liquidation or something, and they just get, I think that there's something in it when you don't have a backup plan. So if you don't have a degree and you don't have parents to fall on, that makes you hungry to go and succeed, and that was the case in my life. So no matter what it was, I'm going to go in everything I've got and
to succeed.
Go get it. Yeah.
And how's King Prize going to conquer the continent of Africa?
We've got an African team that's looking at that. So mobile is a great way of...
So incorporating technology with the insurance sector.
Yeah,
that's how you basically do it.
100%. And insurance is banking and technology. So it's must see what's the banking system like, and not even banks anymore. I mean, you can cell phone trade, airtime,
also
and a lot of exactly. So we look at all those things and then take it one step at a time.
You basically have started a global company.
Yeah.
And how old are you?
38 now.
He's barely 38. He's not even 40 years old. He's already running a company which he feels is going to go conquer the. And I've got no doubt that it's going to do that exactly. But he's a guy who started multiple companies. Like entrepreneurs out there, we all start companies, and most of them fail. But it's just not. It's just that hunger to want to keep going and just wanting to keep achieving more. And I can see a couple of questions from the audiences. Any questions?
You've started a couple of companies. When do you get to a point whereby you start facing reality and stop being in denial and say this thing is not working, and make a transition straight to the new thing?
Well, now my advice would be before you start, there must be a cut-off point where you pull it. When I started all those companies, failing was not an option ever. So a lot of them pulled through. Others you burn even further down it. I almost took all my companies down. So I would say before you even start, so probably at the time, depends on how big the company is, but when you find investors and partners, plan the exit strategy already.
What are the opportunities for entrepreneurships, bursaries or any kind of internships that your company offers to young entrepreneurships?
we're at the point of turning profitable. A lot of our CI initiatives and stuff like that is getting people trained. You know, to give you an idea, we employ 50 new people every month. That's our staff growth. We're 600 people now, and we double in size every year. We get people that we know in and give them opportunity.
You started as a salesperson.
Who, me?
Yeah.
No, I said a designer and then a programmer.
But you've never been a salesperson in insurance?
Well, I did run sales. I was sales director.
But I can understand why you're a successful entrepreneur, because he can speak, he can sell. One of the most amazing tools that any successful entrepreneur has to have out there is being able to express yourself and express your business and be able to get new business. We'd like to appreciate your time for tonight, and we're wishing King Prize all the best to go conquer the whole world. God bless you.
Thank you very much. Thank you.